C program, either a given number is a number palindrome or not. What's the number palindrome? For example, 121. That is the original number or given number. If I reverse that number for 121, 121 only reverse number. So that is the number palindrome. For example, if I give 36, what is the reverse number? 63. That's not a number palindrome. Okay. So if the given number, if we reverse it, that is the equal to original number, then that is a number palindrome. Okay. You see here the program to check either a given number is number palindrome or not. Here you see hash include stdio.h. Here this hash is called in C language preprocessor directive. This is the header file std standard input output header file. In this printf and scanf functions are defined. Printf is the output function, scanf is the input function. Here int main, this main function will look after the entire program. Here it returns the integer. Okay, that is 0. At the end we use the return 0. Okay, here this is the declaration section in the main function. Okay, here we are declaring RNA REV is 0. Enter a number. Okay, you see here, for example, if I enter a number, okay, you see here, if I enter, you see here, for example, if I enter 361, okay, if I enter a number, what is the 361? If I reverse it, 163 is the answer. So it's not a number palindrome. Okay, so here I entered 361. Okay, scanf is used to read the values through keyboard, where this is the type specifier for the integer. Okay, we are storing at a particular location in the memory. Okay, this ampersand refers address. What we give the number that will be stored in the memory at a particular location. Okay, if I give 361, that will be stored in the memory. Okay, here I assigned my original number to A. Okay, so here original number and duplicate number, two numbers are there. Here I assigned to A. So my number 361 is there in the N and A also. 361 is there in the N variable and 361 is there in the A also. Okay, you see here, while N not equal to 0 or greater than 0. Okay, that's your choice. Okay, N not equal to 0, 361 not equal to 0. Yes, R is equal to N modulus 10. This modulus operator gives reminder. Okay, what's my reminder? Okay, for 361, last digit is the reminder. In the 361, you see here, last digit R is 1. Okay, in the 361, you see here at the bottom, R is last digit is the reminder. Remaining left two digits is the quotient. If I divide that number by 10, okay, this is the modulus operator, it gives reminder. What is the R? 1. N is N by 10. What is the quotient? If I divide 361 by 10, 36 is the quotient. You see here, my N is 36. Okay, next, reverse is reverse into 10 plus R. What's my reverse? At the beginning I initialized as 0. 0 into 10, 0 plus what's my R? 1. Okay, 0 into 10, 0 plus 1. Okay, 1. My REV is here, you see at the bottom of this program, REV is 1. Okay, next, one more time this loop will be iterated till the condition is true. This loop will be iterated. The block of statements will be iterated. Okay, now what's my N? You see here, my N is 36. You see at the bottom of this program. Okay, 36 not equal to 0. Yes, in the 36, you see here, 36 not equal to 0. Yes. Okay, so in the 36, last digit is the remainder. Left to that 6. 3 is the quotient. 36 by 10. You see here, R is equal to N modulus 10. 36 not equal to 0. 36 modulus 10. 36 divided by 10. What is the remainder? My remainder is 6. 36 by 10. My remainder is 6. My quotient 36 by 10. Quotient is 3. What's my N is N by 10? 3. Okay, REV is equal to REV into 10 plus R. What's my REV earlier? REV? REV is 1. Okay, that 1 into 10. 1 into 10, 10 plus R. What's the R? 1. Okay, what's my R? 6. You see here, my R is 6. What is the REV? You see here at the bottom, REV is 1. 1 into 10, 10 plus R. 1 into 10 plus R, 6. REV is 16. Okay, next, what's my N now? 3. Okay, that 3 will go to here. 3 not equal to 0? Yes. That N is 3. You see at the bottom. 3 not equal to 0? Yes. 3 modulus 10. Last digit is the remainder. What is the last digit? 3. R is 3. My remainder. Modulus operator gives remainder. Okay, my R is 3. N is N by 10. What is the left to the 3? 0. Okay, 3 by 10. Quotient is 0. You see, N is equal to N by 10. My quotient is 0. Okay, you see. Next, What is the REV is equal to REV into 10 plus R? What's my REV? Earlier REV is 16. Okay. 16 into 10 plus what's my remainder value? 3. 16 into what's the REV? 16. 16 into 10, 160 plus what's my R? Remainder 3, 163. You see here 163. Okay. Now once again loop has to be iterated. What's my n? 0. 0 not equal to 0? No, condition is false. Whenever condition false, control will come out. Okay. Whenever the condition false, loop will not be iterated. The block of the loop statements will not be executed. Here n is 0. 0 not equal to 0. Condition false. We will come out from the loop. Printf. Original number is 361. What's the A? 361. What's the reverse number? 163. For the 361, 163 is the reverse number. Is it equal? 361 and 163? No. So here what's my REV? 163. What's my original number? A. What's the original number you see here? I assigned. Why? Because why I transferred my n to A. At the end of the program, my n becomes 0. Okay, that's why I assigned my n. Okay, my n value is going to become 0 at the end. That's why I assigned to variable of A. Okay, so now my original value is assigned to A. Okay, so here we check that. What's the reverse number? 163. Okay, and original number 361. Is 163 equal to 361? No. So if block will not be executed. If condition false, okay, reverse is 163, original number is 361. 163 is not equal to 361. Okay, this is the equal operator. Okay, so if condition is false, so we will go to else block. Okay, so what's my number? A. Original number 361. That 361 will be displayed here. 361 is not a palindrome. Okay, then we will come out from this program. Okay, so this is the procedure. This is the tracing of this program. Okay, 361 is the original number. I assigned original number to A. Why? Because my n is going to become 0 at the end. After all iterations, my n is going to become as 0. That's why I assigned, okay, n to the A. This is the assignment operator. This is not equal operator. This is the assignment operator. Okay, okay. So here my 360, you see your output, original number 361, reverse number 163. Okay, so here else block will be executed. What's the original value? 361 is not a palindrome. This A value will be displayed here. This percentage is the type specifier or format code or format specifier or type specifier for the type, for the data type, for the integer. My A is the integer. Okay, at the beginning, in the main we declared in the declaration section. Okay, if I give the value, that is the initialization of a value. Okay, variable is the identifier, name of the variable. Okay, you see here, this is the \n. Cursor goes to next line. This \n is the escape sequence character. This is the one of the escape sequence characters. We have many \b, \v, \t, like that. If I use \t, 7 character space we will get. Okay, if I use \v, vertically cursor goes to next line. Okay, form feed F. Okay, in the next page. Like that, we will use many escape sequence characters. Here, this is one of the escape sequence characters. Okay, you see here in the F block, I used only one statement. So here, left and right curly braces are optional for one statement. If I use more than one statement, compulsory we have to use the left and right curly braces for the if block and for the else block also. Okay, so here in else block, I used only one statement. So it is optional to use left and right curly braces. If I use more than one statement in if and else, then it's mandatory to give left and right curly braces. Similarly, here also, in all loops also, for one statement, it's optional. That's your choice. Okay, as per your choice, either you give or not, no problem. But if we have more than one statement in conditional and loops, it's mandatory to give left and right curly braces for more than one statement. For one statement, you may or may not give this left and right curly braces. Okay, so now you understood what's the number palindrome. Okay, if the given number is, for example, if I give one number, if I reverse it, that reverse number is equal to the original number, then that is the number palindrome. if we reverse the original number, that reverse number is not equal to original number, that is not a number palindrome. Okay, so if we reverse, that should be, reverse number should be equal to the original number, then that is a number palindrome. If we reverse a number, that reverse number is not equal to original number, that's not a number palindrome. Okay, now we are going to see the output of this program. Okay, you see here. Now I am going to compile this program. During the compilation time, we will get the syntax errors. What are the syntax? Comma, full stop, parenthesis, double quotes, full stop, semicolon, all are the syntax errors. What's the logical error? Instead of plus, if I give minus. Okay, program output is correct, but according to our requirement, it's not correct. That is the logical error. Okay, next, runtime error, divided by 0. For example, mixing two different data type values. Next, exceeding the size of the data type value. Okay, these are the runtime errors. Now I am going to compile our program. You see here, I compiled, then I got here what I got, errors 0 and warnings 0. Errors 0, warnings also 0. Okay, so successfully we compiled our program. Okay, next, after compilation, we have to run our program, run or execute. Okay, whenever we compile, during the compilation time, object file will be released, .obj file. During the runtime, after run or execute, we will get the executable file. The extension is .exe. For the object file, .obj during the compilation. After compilation, object file .obj. After execution, we will get .exe, executable file. After successful completion of the compilation and run, we will get .obj and .exe files. Now I run the program. You see here, after running this program, okay, here it will ask, enter a number. Okay, you see here, enter a number. For example, if I give 121, this is the original number. What's the original number? 121 is the original number. Okay, 121 is the original number. If I reverse it, okay, same number only. If I reverse the original number, 121 only. So my 121 is a palindrome. Okay, you see, you click on any button. Okay, now I will give earlier what we have seen. You see here, what we have taken the example, 361 we have taken. You see here at the bottom of this program, I have used 361, the number. Okay, now we will see that 361. Okay, now I compile and execute. You see here, errors 0 errors. Okay, now after compilation, I will run or execute a program. Okay, you see here, now it will ask, enter a number. Okay, now we have to enter a number. What we have given earlier, 361. Is it a number palindrome? If I reverse 361, 163. You see here, original number 361, reverse number, what's the reverse to 361? 163. Okay, so that my original 361 is not a palindrome. Okay, so like this we have to find either a given number is number palindrome or not. Okay, this is the procedure to check either a given number is a number palindrome or not. Okay, once I will revise this program. You see here, this is the single line comment, this is the documentation section, this is the link section. Okay, this is the main function, this is the declaration and the initialization, these are the executable statements. Okay, you see here, we declared RNAREV is 0. Okay, enter a number, we entered a number, I stored my original number to the A. Why? At the end my n is going to become 0. Okay, till the condition is true, the loop will be executed till n becomes 0. After that, we will find the original number. After that, you see here, all lines will be attached at a single line. On a single line, all the outputs will be displayed. That's why this line has to go to next line. That's why I used here \n. Cursor goes to next line. If I use \n, you see here reverse number, here original number and reverse number we display. After that, okay, if reverse number is equal to original number, then that's a palindrome. Okay, if I won't use \n, all lines will be displayed on a single line. Okay, for example, reverse is equal to original number, that's a number palindrome. If reverse number is not equal to original number, then else block will be executed. That's not a palindrome. That number, given number, my original number A is not a palindrome. Return 0. Now main block will be closed. Okay, this is the program. If you like it, please share and subscribe. Thank you.